starting an LLC, you've probably seen Zen Business and LegalZoom everywhere. But which one actually gives you more value? So for today's video, we're going to compare features, pricing, and real customer experience. Both Zen Business and LegalZoom help you form an LLC online, but they take very different approaches. Zen Business focuses on simplicity and automation. It's startup friendly and fast. LegalZoom, on the other hand, has been around longer and offers a wider range of legal services, not just business formation. Zen Business starts at just $0 plus state fees for basic LLC filing, which includes name availability search and standard filing. Paid plans add worry-free compliance and EIN registration. LegalZoom's pricing starts at zero as well, but upsells you quickly. Many essentials like EIN, operating agreement, or faster filing require additional fees. Bottom line, Zen Business tends to offer more value at a lower price. Zen Business has a modern, user friendly dashboard and focuses on small businesses. Their support is responsive and helpful, especially for new entrepreneurs. LegalZoom offers broader legal help like consultations and document reviews, but their platform can feel more corporate and a bit slower at times. So here's the final verdict. Choose Zen Business if you want an affordable, beginner friendly LLC setup with great value. And choose LegalZoom if you want all in one legal services, especially beyond LLC formation. Both are legit, but Zen Business is better for most startups looking to save money and time. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!